To understand where a company's sales might be going, it's helpful to pay attention to what its major customers are saying about their spending plans. For Nvidia, that means watching cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Their investments in artificial intelligence and data centers play a key role in shaping demand for Nvidia's products. Any changes in their spending strategies could signal shifts in Nvidia's future growth. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Investment in data centers continues to grow steadily, as confirmed by recent updates from major infrastructure companies. This strong momentum is being fueled by cloud service providers who are planning major increases in capital spending in 2025, a positive sign for companies like Nvidia. Amazon, for instance, spent $83 billion on property and equipment in 2024. During a February earnings call, Chief Financial Officer Brian Olsavsky projected that spending for 2025 would follow a run rate of $26.3 billion per quarter. That adds up to $105.2 billion for the year. He noted that most of this spending will support the growing demand for technology infrastructure, with a strong focus on Amazon Web Services or AWS. Alphabet is also increasing its investment. After spending $52.5 billion in 2024, Chief Financial Officer Anat Ashkenazi shared that the company plans to raise that figure to $75 billion in 2025. She said the increase will focus on technical infrastructure, starting with servers, followed by data centers and networking. Microsoft is making similar moves. Vice Chair and President Brad Smith told investors the company plans to spend $80 billion in its fiscal year 2025. The goal is to expand AI-powered data centers. This follows a trend where Microsoft has already doubled its data center capacity over the past 3 years. The landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, and data center investments is experiencing significant growth, with major technology companies substantially increasing their capital expenditures in these areas. This surge is largely driven by the escalating demand for AI capabilities and advanced data processing. For instance, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Alphabet's Google Cloud, and Microsoft's Azure have all announced plans to boost their spending on AI and data center infrastructure. Amazon plans to increase spending to $105.2 billion in 2025, Google to $75 billion, and Microsoft to $80 billion. These investments are indicative of the robust growth in AI-related data center spending, suggesting a positive outlook for companies like Nvidia that provide essential hardware for these technologies. Nvidia's recent financial performance reflects this upward trend. In the fourth quarter ending January 26, 2025, the company reported record revenue of $39.3 billion, a 78% increase from the previous year. Notably, the data center segment contributed $35.6 billion, up 93% year-over-year, underscoring the growing reliance on Nvidia's products in AI and data center operations. Looking ahead, Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, has projected that data center capital expenditures could reach $1 trillion by 2028, tripling in just 3 years. This ambitious forecast highlights the anticipated expansion in AI infrastructure investments and positions Nvidia favorably to capitalize on this growth. However, it's important to acknowledge potential challenges. Regulatory developments such as China's new energy efficiency rules for advanced chips have impacted Nvidia's operations. These regulations have led to reconsiderations of orders for Nvidia's H20AI processor by major Chinese tech companies, potentially affecting sales in that market. Despite these challenges, the overall trajectory for AI-related data center investments remains positive. Unless there are significant changes in the capital spending plans of major tech companies, Nvidia is well-positioned to experience continued growth in this sector. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.